dysfunctional vet. That is a 12-inch. That is a 12-inch clamp, C-clamp, adjustable, which is attached to a 1x6 to help keep the metal sheet from bending, with a rope up there so that I can grab onto it, hang on to it. What we're doing is we're putting a 16-foot sheet of metal up, and since I am surrounded by dogs and the dogs are only going to watch, I'm having to do this entirely manually. I'll show you each step as I do it. Using the bucket of the tractor, I lift the thing up pretty much into a vertical position, and now I'm using a rope to inch it forward a little bit at a time. I'm running into a problem. I'm going to show you that after I finish getting this off. I'm about to turn the tractor off and start finishing getting it up there. Here you can see the rope and the C-clamp, or bar clamp, along with the rope. I've been using a 1x4 to pick that up and slide it forward because there's a flat on that bar clamp, which when it hits the cross pieces up there, it keeps it from sliding forward. It's a slow process, but it can be done. And then I pull it with the rope. Not an ideal way to do this, but again, the dogs are not helping.